Hi, boys and girls. I'm so glad that you've joined us for some fun in the kitchen. And I have some special helpers today. I have Mr. Sebi.
Hi.
And Miss Sofiya.
Hi.
And I have Miss Emily.
Hi.
And I have Mr. Carter.
Hi.
And today, boys and girls, we're going to be making banana oatmeal bread. Who likes banana bread?
Me.
Oh!
Yeah.
And who likes to cook?
Me.
Oh, then we're going to have a fun time today because we're doing banana oatmeal bread and we all like to cook. So let's get started, boys and girls. Okay, we're going to take our little bowls and let's mix all our dry ingredients in the little bowls and then we're going to set it aside, okay? Okay, so Emily, I need you to put in, let's put in you can put our spices, and Sebi, this is later, so we don't add this now.
This one?
Yes, you can put all this in this bowl. And Sebi, Sebi and Carter, you put in 2 cups of our flour, okay?
2?
So Sebi, this is for later. So you're gonna put in 2 cups of the flour.
This?
And Sofiya, you can put this in. 2 cups.
Is it this one? Well.
Yes. See, Sebi, where it says 1 cup?
All of it?
So that's your cup. So you want 2 of those. And you may put in all of that, okay? Good job, Emily, but you need to use your scraper and get it all in. Did you get it all in, Sofiya? Good girl. That's awesome.
Excuse me, Miss Cinda, can I use this to do that?
Yes, you may. And then you can use your knife to level it off. You use your knife. Can you watch, boys and girls, and how they're measuring them? That's good. When you're measuring, they can use a knife or the end of their spatula. Show them, Carter. And see how he levels it off? There you go. And that makes an accurate measurement. And you want to make sure you do that.
Excuse me, Miss Cinda, do I stir it?
That would be awesome. You want to take your whisk? You can do it with your whisk. And Sofiya, use your whisk and you can stir it too, okay?
Yes.
And Sebi, you have one more to do?
I'm doing a
Good
whisk.
job of leveling it off, Sebi.
I'm doing a whisk.
Oh, good job. And you want to get your dry ingredients all in. And let me take your flour and I'll give you this. So that's your 2nd cup, Carter? Okay. I'm going to put this right over here.
Use your whisk.
Okay.
Very good.
Now we're going to take the bigger bowls. Okay, let's set that aside. You have yours whisked up, kids? Okay. Let's take your bigger bowls. Here, Carter. That's good. Let's take your bigger bowls now, and you're going to put all the liquid, wet, what we call wet ingredients. We're going to put all the wet ingredients in our big bowl, okay? Let's move your mixers. Okay, here you go. Okay, so Carter and Sebi, you can measure. Now, let me read. You're going to need 3/4 of a cup of packed brown sugar.
Excuse me, is this
That's a 1/4 cup, so you can do 3 of those. Okay, you find your 1/4 cup, do 3 of those. And girls, you can peel bananas and put your bananas in. You're going to peel the banana and put your banana in, okay? There you go. And here's 2 more bananas. And let's see. Well, let me see what else goes in here. You've got your, good job. And, you know, let me tell you guys something about the brown sugar. We don't do that. Wait with the brown sugar. Okay, well, this calls for packed brown sugar. So guess what? What you do is you pack it down. Oh, that's okay. Oh, you like the banana, Sofiya? How about if we see for packed brown sugar, you go like this and you pack it down and instead of leveling it, okay? So do 1 more of that. Okay, Sofiya, you know what? We need to put this banana in, so let me cut off the piece that you ate. And we need to put this in our bowl. Okay? So you want to do 1 more?
You've
You've actually got 2 more bananas, and you could put them in our bowl, okay?
You open it from there.
What happened,
This
Miss
one
Emily?
to the ground.
Oh, okay. I'll put this over here. Because boys and girls, if something falls on the ground, you don't want to use it because then it's not going to be clean, okay?
Here, let me help.
Okay, Emily. Can you get it? Let me help you with your bananas. Here, you can peel that one and I'll cut it, okay? All right, you got it? Oh, big muscles. Okay, now peel it back, Emily.
Is this good?
Yes, that's how you do
pack
it.
it in.
That's good. Did you see that, boys and girls, how you pack the brown sugar?
I did it.
Good, put that one in.
I did it.
Good job! Good job! Okay, let me show you. Put that one in. Let me show you how to do the
just
brown
sit
sugar.
down.
Put this one in too. So here's what you do, Carter. I mean, Sebi. Put this in. You do like this. And then you're going to take your hand and press it down. Press it down. Now put some more in and press it down again. Now press it down again.
Broke.
Oh, that's okay. See how that's
funny.
what's called packed brown sugar.
What I'm gonna do with this?
Oh, just put it right in there. Okay, you have one more.
Do I do 3 of these?
Yes.
I've only done 2.
Okay, do 3. Okay?
Oh,
You did 3, Sebi?
I think we did a little. I can't bring
Oh, that's okay.
like 4.
You'll just have a really nice sweetbread. That won't hurt at all. Okay, Sebi, can you put this in? What I did was I took, instead, do you notice we don't have any eggs? You can put the oil in, Sofiya. Instead of an egg, I took ground flaxseed and mixed it up with water just a little bit earlier so that it could, see how nice and thick that got? Use your rubber spatula, Sebi, and get that out. And Carter, you can do the same thing. You can take this.
Miss Cinda, can I put in 4 so it gets a little sweeter?
No, that's too much. He just said some crumbs had dropped in, and I told him the crumbs, that was okay. Okay, put your flaxseed in, and you put your oil in. Okay?
Here.
Okay, and now, thank you. Now, you're going to blend it up. You're going to get your mixer and mix it up. Nope, we're going to do this, okay?
Okay.
Now, remember
Mix
to
this.
hold it down,
I do it.
and I'll move all this.
This is gonna be interesting.
Yep, let's try it. You hold on to your mixers when you turn it on. Hold it way in the bottom. Put it right on that banana and it'll mash up that banana for you.
Do it together.
Put it right on the banana. Good job. Good job, guys. I'm gonna get it all mixed up. Put it right in the banana, Sebi. There you go. It's the mixer, boys and girls, will blend up that banana. See how it's mashing all that banana for you? Sebi, look, turn your bowl like this. See how your sugar is up here? Boys and girls, you want to turn your bowl and make sure you get it all mixed up. You want to do it a little bit, Sofiya? See how he's mixing it up? You help him. You tell him if there's any banana pieces, okay? Good job. You help him. Good job. Help him get all that. You need a little bit more, Sebi. How is you guys doing? Let me see. Okay. Now, okay, keep your mixers on, and I'm going to pour in half of your flour. Put your mixture in. There you go. Just half of the flour, boys and girls. Keep your mixer going. We're going to put in half. You do it. Keep it going. Don't turn it off. Mix in all that flour. Good job. And here, Sebi, I'll do this. There you go. And you do it in stages like that, boys and girls. Okay, here, I'm going to add your others. This is all of it. There you go. Get all that in. Okay, here's yours, Sebi. Let me get this in. There you go. Doesn't this look like fun, boys and girls? This is fun. Are you guys liking this? Hold the bowl for me, Sofiya, so it doesn't move on them. Hold the bowl so it doesn't move. Is it all mixed up on the bottom? You don't want any flour on the bottom. Whoa, Sebi.
It just got me.
Okay, let's go like this. Okay, now we can take this out. Can you scrape the sides? Okay.
I can. 1 second. Are we done?
Whoa, I'm sorry. That just kind of flew, didn't it?
It went on your paper.
Oh, it's okay. I'll just put it right over here. Okay. Let's see. Now, girls, you want to measure a half. Let's see. You measure some. Okay, now what we need to do. Oh, what is that? A half cup? We need to add the almond milk. Can you go get some almond milk for me, Carter? Get some almond milk in the fridge. And you boys put in a half a cup of almond milk, and you girls put in a half a cup of pecans.
Are we gonna
Well, you want to measure it? No, measure 2 of these.
This one?
Measure 2 of those.
This one?
And you want a half a cup of that. Okay?
2 half cups?
And yes, and then you can add your almond milk.
Is this one?
Yes.
2 of these?
Here, Carter.
2 half cups? 1?
No, just 1. Pour it over your dish.
But
There you go. All right. We'll do a half a cup for you. And then Sebi will do a half a cup for you. That's our kitchen timer. We're almost out of time. Oh, hold it, Sebi. And I'll do a half a cup for you. You girls getting your nuts in? All right. And then, boys, put in 1 half cup of the oats. Okay? Carter, can you put in half a cup of the oats? And then stir it up really good, and we'll put it in our dishes. Good job, girls. And look what Miss Cinda made. Look what it's going to look like after we bake it. What do you think? Does that look good?
yeah.
Who wants to try it?
Me.
Okay, we're going to get ours in the oven, and then we'll try it, okay? Boys and girls, doesn't this look good enough to make? You'll have to get your mommies and daddies or an adult to help you make it.
Cinda, do we mix it?
Yes, now mix it up. You can use your whisk or your spatula, whichever. Now you guys mix it up. And then we'll pour it into our bowls. That's our kitchen timer. We're all out of time. We're going to put this in our pans and bake it. So I hope you can make these too. Remember, boys and girls, anytime you can be in the kitchen, it's fun.